Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am having a little bit of a dilemma today and I need your help. So I got a phone call there yesterday to come down to the allotments because there is a plot available. But when I got down here, there wasn't just one plot available, there was actually five available. So this is one of the options. So it comes with a polytunnel, but the polytunnel was broken. It comes with the shed and the fruit cage at the back. There is another option that is up here. The plots up here do look quite rustic kind of looking. They're very much built out of what people can get their hands on. So this plot is absolutely wonderful, so well maintained. So one of the options is actually next to this plot, which is this one here. So they have a little porch area to start with. There is some rhubarb in those little bags at the front. And then as you go in through the gate, you have the shed that's at the back. This shed has, I think, a little chicken coop on the side of it. It goes all the way back. A couple of composters in the back. And yeah, just a few bits there. So this is option number 2. So this is an option on the left where that black tarp is. So it goes from this little post here all the way at the top, all the way where that black tarp is, all the way to this little post here. So it's just, there's no kind of infrastructure on this one. I think I'll have to put the boundary in myself for this one. But this is 5 metres by 18 metres. So obviously it'll need to be cleared and then I can start growing on it. So obviously the weeds have been suppressed there a little bit with that black membrane. So that's one option. Then there is the exact same option directly opposite with no black tarp. So from that T-post all the way to the back fence and runs across the front here. So that's also an option. And then I have a final option, which is here on my left with the chicken coop. So you can see some more structures. There is a polytunnel that I think does need a little bit of renovation work done to it. The plastic is a little bit broken. There are some raised beds across the plot as it stands. The ground here is really good as well for growing, and there's access to kind of topsoil and wood chips and manure up at the very top of the plot. And inside the polytunnel, there is some raised beds in here. So there's obviously, I'm not sure what was grown in here last year. I can't really recognise any of those plants. I have no idea. Possibly maybe a tomato, I'm not sure. So yeah, some great space there, ready to grow in. And obviously this plastic I think needs to be redone. The guy was telling me, because it's ripped, yeah, you can see it's ripped here. So the door's ripped. So it does, but at least I have the framework, which is cool. So then there's another raised bed underneath that chair that's kind of looks about 2 metres long. And this plot altogether is 18 metres long. So it's kind of a long plot and it's 5 metres wide. So they are my 3 options. And I just need help trying to figure out which one to go for because I actually don't know which one to pick. Obviously, growing vegetables is all about kind of the affordability. And I think getting into allotmenteering is all about, you know, getting the best value, maximising your yields. But I also am aware that this is a great opportunity for me to be able to get out of the house and put some money into my hobby, which I suppose you can't put a price on if it makes you happy. I had to leave the allotment because it got really stormy, but let me know in the comments below. Put a number for the plot that you think that I should take, and we will catch up in the next video and see what decision I made. I will see you soon. Bye.